Here are 5 things you didn't know about how service workers are treated that would shock you. First, managers regularly schedule workers for full shifts, then send them home without pay when business is slow. You turn down other jobs to be available, but that doesn't matter to them. Second, customers sexually harass service workers while management expects you to smile and handle it gracefully for better tips. Your safety comes second to customer satisfaction scores. Third, co-workers steal your tables and tips, then act innocent when confronted. The workplace becomes a battlefield where you're fighting your own team. Fourth, kitchen staff deliberately mess up your orders as punishment when you don't flirt back. Your food quality suffers because you set boundaries. Fifth, owners actually make workers pay for customers who dine and dash from their own wages. This treatment would be completely illegal in any other workplace. Demanding basic respect isn't being difficult. Your labor has value and your safety matters more than any customer's comfort.